no one trusted that this would be strong enough unless they had to screw something together. So even though we didn't need it, we then engineered into a dozen screws into the frame, and six or so screws into the drawer. And at the same time, we used it for our benefit, so we could simplify certain parts, and double up on some of them. So like a screw hole that would hold things together also served as the leveling foot for the self-leveling on the system. So we did a lot of double duty once we were introducing those. But really, like, we had come to this point where we were so proud of ourselves for this huge thing that we overcame that we thought customers wanted. And then we found out loud and clear, they don't want that. They want something which is harder to do, but that's consumer perception. So we had to, admit it and know that we're not going to be able to convince consumers. We have to know where their adoption rate is going to be and pivot to do something that was slightly more complicated, but it would make consumers trust the product more. So that was almost like a bigger mental overhaul that we had to overcome than actual, like difficulty in some of the other innovations that we did.
Yeah, that's amazing.